Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, hello guys, Warrenty is back here.
मैं निंजा हथौड़ी आ गया हूँ।
Guys, today we'll be unboxing Wi-Fi booster.
मैं निंजा हथौड़ी आ गया हूँ।
So guys, in this video we'll be unboxing Wi-Fi booster.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो।
As you know guys, internet is a very important thing in COVID-19 time especially, and everyone is like fidgeting with their phones and playing Free Fire games, these games. So you need good internet, and otherwise if you are a YouTuber, so you need good internet of course. So you can use this Wi-Fi booster to boost your internet.
पता है।
चल झूठा.
So guys, finally here is our booster. You can see our booster.
क्या सीन है?
So guys, here is our Wi-Fi booster of TP-Link, and it's world #1 Wi-Fi booster.
जा पूछ क्या?
Wi-Fi death zone killer. Oh man. Works with any Wi-Fi router. So I'm getting excited to unbox it.
इतनी खुशी मुझे।
Guys, it has compact wall plug design, not PUBG design,
मैं निंजा हथौड़ी आ गया हूँ।
and it is intelligent signal indicator light, WPS button, Ethernet port, and you can also connect it with PC, game console, smart TV. So yeah, it is just like amazing.
झूठ पे झूठ बोलती जा रही है, शर्म नहीं आ।
समझ रहे हो आप?
Guys, the best thing is it has 3-year warranty. 3 years warranty. Eliminate Wi-Fi death zone with powerful Wi-Fi.
नहीं,
इस सज्जन को क्या तकलीफ है भाई?
Guys, to unbox it, we need scissors. So, scissors.
मैं निंजा हथौड़ी आ गया हूँ।
Scissor. So, let's finally cut the tape here. We have cut the tape, and now let's open it. So, finally we have opened it.
Well, कुछ कह नहीं सकते।
क्या सीन है?
रुको जरा. सबर.
So guys, finally our booster is coming out. Yay! Yay! Here is our booster, and now we do not need this box. So, toosh!
मैं निंजा हथौड़ी आ गया हूँ।
So, here is our precious booster.
बहुत तेज हो रहा है।
Wi-Fi booster. And here is its packaging. Good packaging. I like it.
मजा आया।
और 50 रुपया कट ओवर एक्टिंग के।
And Wi-Fi booster. And now we do not need this thing. So go bye bye.
मैं निंजा हथौड़ी आ गया हूँ।
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ। ਉਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਕਲੀਫਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਡੀਲ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ।
So here is our Wi-Fi booster. Yeah, it looks good. So let's show you. So guys, finally here is our booster. You can see how it looks, our booster, and it's of company TP-Link booster, and here you can plug it. So let's plug it and then show you. So guys, now we are going to plug it. Guys, finally our booster has been connected and it's showing green light. You can see our booster of TP-Link. how it looks.
वाह क्या सीन है
देख रहे हो ना स्ट्रेटेजी देख रहे हो.
Guys, if you want to learn how to connect this booster, so you can check YouTube and you can see all the YouTube videos and learn how to connect this booster. And I really don't know how to connect it.
मैं क्या बताऊं मैं क्या बताऊं.
My father has connected it, but I made an unboxing video because you were just like showed a good interest in unboxing videos.
झूठ पे झूठ बोलती जा रही है, शर्म नहीं.
So I was back with a new unboxing video of internet booster.
जा पूछ क्या.
So guys, finally this is the end of the video, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my video. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel,
तो कर लो. क्यों नहीं करते.
you'll get my all unboxing video link in description in my link.
मैं निंजा हथौड़ी आ